Hi, my name is Harsh, and I had attended Jackson's 6-day Elementor workshop. So, the workshop was very structured and it gave me a good insights on Elementor because I was trying to design my own website and I was struggling with it. So, I came across this program, and when I read about the structure and content, I didn't have any second thoughts, and I enrolled for it, and I found it very organized, and like all the things for Elementor was covered, and then it all boils down to practice, and we were given enough time for practice also. So I would just like to thanks Jackson for the workshop, and I've displayed his slide decks. So his step-by-step plan for the 6-day workshop. So day one was he told us about Elementor and how it works, and then for day two we actually started with the designing. Then day three is how to create the footers and the headers, and all in all, it was a great workshop. And yeah, there's a bonus day also, that is day seven, in which he clarifies all your doubts that you have learned in all the 6 days. So all in all, it's a great program. If you are a beginner in designing or you are struggling with Elementor, so I think you should try this program and start your designing journey. So yeah, thank you, Jackson.